Iron Hand now being loaded, set, ready to race, race number 8.
Tempo lang ha, tempo. Atagin na din,
Racing gas is started with Lady Laurel. Break quickly at the start, moving upon the outside Hudson Hawk. Then followed over by Golden Last by the rail, landed Bisa Ninjitsu Iron Hand. Then followed over by Golden Fantasy Carmelita Chabacana. Running by the rail is Rainbow Ridge Sutter's Press. Racing second last is Luck of the Irish, while Zabor the Champagne is the early trailer. When going along for the first turn, we have Lady Laurel this time by about 3 lengths, and in second comes Hudson Hawk. Golden Last is on the outside, then followed over by Iron Hand. Moving up now is Carmelita, Ninjitsu, Golden Fantasy, Chabacana, Rainbow Ridge. One moving up on the outside, Luck of the Irish, as others quest landed Bisa now second last, while Zabor the Champagne is still racing in 13th. And on the part turn, we have Lady Laurel by about 5 lengths. Carmelita in second, moving upon the outside, Iron Hand, then followed over by Hudson Hawk. Chabacana comes next, Golden Fantasy, Golden Last. Moving up is entry number 8, Luck of the Irish, Ninjitsu, Sutter's Quest, and Diana entering the home stretch where Lady Laurel this time now kicks clear by about 8 lengths. And in second comes entry number 12, and this one is Iron Hand. And finally, the curtain closer, Lady Laurel. Second is Iron Hand. Then comes Carmelita Chabacana, Golden Fantasy, and Hudson Hawk.